I can speak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Hello, good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? When Mondays come, it means special time for Valia to meet Pesona Inspira too, because of Monday is special day for us to English speaking practice. And of course, Valia not alone. And in this studio, Valia has accompanied by...
Hello, yay! Finally, me and Valia can accompany Pesona Inspira for I Can Speak program because I think the last time it's only me and Zulfa.
Yeah,
Right.
so I felt like this is a long time.
Yeah, it's been like
True.
2 weeks if I'm
Yeah.
not wrong. Like
2
the previous episode, we've been a foreigner in here,
Yeah.
right? And then
Yeah.
the week after that, it's only Zulfa and me.
Oh yeah, that's right. So this is the second week that I can invite again in this broadcasting program.
Yes, and I'm gonna remind all of the Pesona Inspira because this program actually a collaboration between Pesona Radio and UNSIQ.
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 Oke, Universitas Sains Ilmu Quran Wonosobo.
Bener banget, terutama bareng sama Fakultas Bahasa dan Sastra. Jadi hari ini nggak cuma ada kita berdua, Valia.
Betul, seperti biasa kita punya tamu-tamu dari mahasiswa Unsik, khususnya FBS Unsik. But before we introduce our guest star, you have to know Pesona Inspira that we have 3 segments. First is light conversation, and the second is learn with Pesona, and third is listeners time. So Pesona Inspira, you can join with us in 082323839996. Kalau Pesona Inspira mau gabungnya nggak pas di segmen listener time juga boleh ya Iqbal ya.
Boleh banget.
Pesona Inspira boleh ngapain aja, boleh nanyain soal bahasa Inggris boleh, nanya juga misalkan Iqbal udah makan belum tapi mau coba pakai bahasa Inggris juga boleh.
Karena aku
gitu
jangan
ya.
cuma nanya doang sih, kirim makanan. Juga.
Oke, daripada kita keburu lapar ya, kita langsung aja perkenalkan dulu nih. Ada 2 penyiar tamu dari FBS Unsik. Kalau Valia sih udah tahu ya inisialnya, bukan AS nih ya. Inisialnya yang satunya W, yang satunya Z. Oke, kalau gitu langsung aja yang pertama dulu untuk yang baru pertama kali ini. Mungkin bisa say hello buat Pesona Inspira.
Hi, my name is Wenas Melandri Baruditonga, and then you can call me Wenas. And then I'm from Faculty of Language and Literature. I'm first semester from
first
Literature English.
Okay, so you are the new student in
Yes.
FBS Unsik.
Yes.
And how do you feel to be FBS student?
I feel I feel so amazing.
Is what is it like English is the main major that you choose by your own self? Or you have any what is it like a push by your parents?
Why you choose
to
this major? Is this your first decision or your parent told you to pick the major or something like that?
It's actually my choice.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so you are very lucky because you can through your choice. I mean, yeah. Okay, and how do you feel now when you was it like a broadcasting in the first time and you never know about us before? Maybe you only have what is it like a heard mouth by mouth, right? We never meet each other before.
Yes, I feel like so really nervous today.
But I don't think that you are nervous because your voice is really stable.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
it?
I can see your voice even trembling. Like it's just like a regular conversation.
Yeah.
Like you just talk before we're on airing. So it's
Really?
pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oke, jadi di semester 1 ya
Yeah.
saat ini. Dan ini jadi pertama kalinya pengalaman untuk siaran di I Can Speak.
Betul.
Betul, oke. Ceritain dong, kenapa bisa akhirnya Wenas tuh ikutan siaran?
Sebenarnya ini kan salah satu program dari dosen
Oke.
dan dari Bu Ana. Dan Bu Ana menawarkan kepada anak-anak semester 1 untuk mengikuti program ini. Jadi kami merasa ya sangat tertarik tentunya ya.
Do you feel excited?
Yes.
Or feels like getting forced?
Yeah.
Excited plus forcing.
Yes.
Okay, how about you? Maybe you can introduce yourself. Even this is maybe the 3rd or the 4th time for you.
Yeah, hello. I'm Z, a student of English Literature, FBS, UNSIQ.
Okay.
SIQ, yeah.
This is your third time or the second time being here?
third or fourth maybe.
Oh, third or fourth.
Yeah.
Okay. I do remember like
But
maybe
I-
last month, right? You've been here in
No,
November.
No, I think October.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been more.
It's
It's been
been a
more
long
than a
time.
month.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a long time since you've been here. Like I do remember, like back then you're already pretty fluent in English, especially with us in this conversation.
Yeah.
Jadi rasanya kayaknya udah cukup lama ya nggak ketemu sama Z. Aku pikir bulan lalu di sini, tapi ternyata udah Oktober ya yang
Yeah,
lalu.
actually there are 2 times that I didn't meet Kak Iqbal.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah.
It's only you and Valia.
Yeah, with
Oh.
Yeah,
my
yeah.
partner.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, on November I was very busy.
Yeah. I can understand that.
And I remember when you tell to me that you love, what is it, like a photography, right?
Yes.
Do you still has some activity that connecting with photography right now?
Actually, that connected with the hobby by my organization.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like student association, and I'm in Information and Communication Division.
Oh, okay.
I do my hobby with that organization.
Is it the one of the reason that's making you very busy in the November?
Yeah, because in November there are some events
Okay.
that from my apart from my program study, it's also from my faculty.
Okay. And how do you feel right now? Because this is not your first time. Do you feel still nervous or trembling?
Yeah, I'm still feel nervous because I feel it's been a long time I
Yeah.
didn't speak here,
Yeah.
and I feel like first time.
Yeah, I agree with you. When we speak English and we never use English language in for maybe 2 or 3 days, it feels like lack of vocabulary, and then
Yeah.
we forgot anything about the pattern
Yeah,
or
that's
grammar
right.
or vocab. Then we feels like this is the new time, or is it? This is the first time for us to speaking again.
Yeah, in fact, I feel little.
What is it?
I feel little shy with my
Winas?
classmates because
Why?
I see she is more confident and more fluent in English.
That means you need to be more confident with yourself then.
Oke, Pesona Inspira. Tadi udah saling berkenalan ya. Yang satunya ada Kating nih ya, namanya
Wah.
Zi.
Wah.
Satu
Udah
lagi
jadi
ada
Kating.
Tingkat, namanya Wenas. Ini Wenas sebetulnya bukan asli Wonosobo loh. Mau kita ulik dulu sebentar
Boleh,
nggak?
boleh.
Maybe you can tell your life, where do you from, and
Yeah. Like your
how-
background story.
yeah, and how you can going to, what is it, like Wonosobo?
Actually, I'm from Java and then Sumatra.
Yeah, North Sumatra.
Yes,
And then
and then
what is it?
saya lahir itu
Mm-mm.
di Riau lebih tepatnya.
You were born in Riau.
Yes, and then when I was child, I moved to North Sumatra.
Oh, okay. Then
And then, what is it? When I was, what is it?
senior high school.
No.
Even younger than that, like
Yeah, younger than that.
okay.
What is it? TK in English.
Okay.
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten
kindergarten.
level, okay.
I moved to. No. I moved to Riau, and then, in the, class 4, I moved to Java.
Oh, so you already moved to Java when you was in 4th grade in elementary school.
Yes, right.
Okay, so you have been a long time to stay here.
Yes, maybe.
Ya, dari kelas 4 SD kan
So
ya.
both of your parents also here right now.
But my dad, he passed away.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but
I'm sorry for that.
Ah,
Your
it's
your
okay.
parents stay here.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Your family stay here. So
Yes.
you live with your family.
Yes.
Where is exactly part of Wonosobo that you live in?
In Mandalika, you know?
Mandalika.
Yes,
Aduh.
Kaliwiro, part of
Kaliwiro.
Kaliwiro.
I just think about Mandalika in Nusa Tenggara, in Lombok.
Actually, even though it's been a while also for me to stay in Wonosobo, and perfect, like me and Valia also not from Wonosobo, but we've been here for a couple of years,
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
Valia? But I think this is the first time I heard like Mandalika.
Yeah, I
in
agree with
Wonosobo.
you.
Like I'm start wondering Mandalika.
Where is Mandalika? Is it Mandalika 7 in Lombok or something?
I start wondering. Yeah, even though it's been a couple years since we live here, but I think this is the first time I heard Mandalika
Yeah.
in Wonosobo.
And how about the language? Because of your one of your parents is come from the Sumatra, so you can speak Sumatra local language
no.
too.
Oh
No.
because you moved in Wonosobo since your 4th grade, right? So
Yes,
yeah,
okay.
the influence of Java it's more stronger,
Yes.
right?
Oke, jadi nggak kesulitan ya kalau kita ngomong pakai bahasa Jawa.
Ya,
bisa
kebetulan
ya?
hari ini kita bahasa Inggris soalnya. Kebetulan hari ini kita bahasa Inggris soalnya.
Maaf saya juga non Jawa.
Oh iya,
Oh iya bener.
Zee juga non Jawa.
Betul.
Zee dari mana ya? Kalau nggak salah dari
Kalimantan?
Ya.
Yeah, right. I can remember.
Masih ingat.
Aku
Kalimantannya persisnya?
ingat. Aduh,
Aku lupa.
Kalimantan Barat.
Kalimantan Barat. Oke, itu bukan. Oh, bukan.
Bukan, enggak.
Aku mau nyebut itu.
Enggak.
Enggak. Oke, kita langsung spill aja yuk. Topik hari ini apa kira-kira? What is the topic that you have already prepared, guys?
Stories of the year.
Stories
It's
of the year.
Yeah, it can be about campus and life.
Okay.
Or the unique and interesting things in our life.
So the conclusion
During
is about recap in 1 year.
Yeah.
I love talking about recap. in
Yeah.
1 year. Why you guys choose this topic?
Because now is the end of this year.
Okay, alright. Maybe you gonna put everything that happened in one episode for about the year. Jadi kayaknya bakalan ngerangkum hal-hal yang terjadi selama setahun di satu episode kali ini nih, Vali ya.
Iya, benar. Oke. And how do you think about 2024 for your life?
Is it challenging or is it?
Is it challenging or this is a hard time
It's a
or
hard
maybe
year for
this is
you?
the happiest years for you?
I think it's dramatic.
Dramatic. Why?
Yeah, there are many activities that I did in this year, and I feel I got very business thing, and then it's so draining me.
Okay. Okay. And your energy, what is it like spent to all your
Yeah.
activity?
And I feel like actually when I thought again, this year actually not really special. I feel like so, but a part of that, I feel like really tired.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I can make a conclusion that this year is full of activity from you.
Yeah,
Okay.
really
Okay.
full.
Is there any like a memorable things or moment that you cannot forget and you can say thanks God I can through the 2024?
Actually, as I was saying that I joined several organization, and I feel my activities in that organization, and I learn more. I learn much thing in that organization, and I feel like I feel before I was really introvert person, but now I feel more communicative.
Okay, so you feel that even you are feeling like this is the dramatical year, but you also want to say thank you God because of you can joining so much organization that making you to be communicative person.
Yeah, especially when I got some events. Beside that, I also got tags from my college, and then when I have passed it, like I can pass it.
Oh yeah, it's like a feeling lega.
Yeah.
Relief.
Relief.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How about Wenas? How do you think about this year?
I think my 2024 is just like a flat.
Flat. Okay, it's like a TV flat.
But actually, in this year, you go to college. Is it still a flat year, even though this is your first year in a college?
Yeah, yeah.
For that, I feel like something makes something like what is it? Wait.
What is it?
Um,
You can ask us about the vocab. Maybe you forgot it.
Wait a minute. Sometimes I think I have memorable things.
Okay.
in 2024, especially when I PKKMB.
Okay. Mm-mm.
It's my first time, right, in
Right.
campus. So yeah, in PKKMB I have new friends and
Okay.
then new experiences, and also I have good memories for
Okay.
save that for my good memories.
Okay, but how is college so far? Even though this is your first semester, you've been through maybe 4 or even 6 months of college, maybe.
For the college, I think some sometimes I feel like happy,
Okay.
and then sometimes I just feel like a flat.
Okay, okay. What is
Okay.
your major? Like you choose your own major. Are you regret it or you feel like it is a good major to take? Sometimes some of my friends even experiencing like they choose the wrong major. And how about you? Are you experiencing the same thing? Like you think I need to change my major, or I feel good with my major right now, something like that.
I feel good with my major
Okay.
right now because I think I can meet with the people from the from the international students change,
Okay.
Okay.
like the seminar before at the end of November.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I was like, I think I'm not wrong choice.
Okay,
Okay.
because of
This is
there
not
was
wrong choice.
what is it, like guest star from international students, so you felt like this is the right choice because you can meet
Yes.
foreigner, you can interaction with the foreigner, right? Okay, and I think because of when I still new times, or what is it like a baru menjalani ini beberapa bulan, jadi belum tahu apakah ini benar-benar menyenangkan gitu.
Yes,
Sometimes it happened on the 3rd or 5th semester.
Yeah. Third, I feel like in third.
3rd or even 5th
May
semester.
I know how long have you been in FBS Unsik in your study? I mean, 2 months or 3 months, 4
or
months?
6 maybe.
It's from
You start in
September.
August or September.
right.
In
From
August.
August.
Yeah, right. From August. August is
September.
8. Now it's already 12. It's been 4 months actually.
Yeah, 3 months.
4
yeah.
months, like 3 or 4 months. Yeah.
And I wish in the next year you cannot regret your major, because of this major I think it's important to get the job in the future.
Okay.
Especially this is your own decision, right?
Yeah.
Nobody put you there.
Yeah, nobody push you, nobody what is it, like force you to choose this option, right?
Right.
Okay. For Iqbal, maybe do you have any perspective about this year in your life?
This year, I think I met a lot of people this year, and then I also farewell with a lot of people at the same times. A lot of like short meeting, a lot of like. I try to make a lot of friends as much as possible in this year, but also I realized that I lose some of my friends in this year. So I think this year full of meeting new people and farewell with an old people.
Okay, but
Yeah.
I think in the last year, in 2023, you have already meeting all new people too, right?
Yeah, but I think this year even more.
Oh,
I
okay.
think this year even more. I try to reach as much as possible. So I think because I try to meet a lot of new people without I realizing that I lose my old friend and something like that. So I think I meet a lot of people and I say farewell with a lot of people at the same time. Yeah.
So you have already, what is it like, have new friends?
Yeah.
More, what is it like, lebih banyak?
I try to meet a lot of people
Yeah.
this year. Yeah.
Okay. For do you what is it like? Do you curious about me too or not?
Yeah.
Or maybe you wanna move to
No, let's talk
second
about your,
question maybe.
Let's talk about your year.
Okay, for me this year is the most tiring year, but also this is the memorable year for me, and I felt like I'm very exhausted with this year because not only about activity but also some event and then some kejadian and some meeting with new people makes me feels like drain me a lack of energy.
Oh, okay.
But also in this year because of I get some award, so I felt that this is the memorable time too for me.
Okay, okay.
Congratulations, by the
Oh,
way.
thank you so much.
This is life.
Yeah,
This is life.
thank you so much.
Not
Z.
everything bad, not everything good. This is life.
So for this year, 50-50. 50 is I felt like tiring, but the rest of 50, I felt like thanks God I can through this year.
Okay, how about Z? Do you agree with 50-50 or there are more sadness in your year or more happiness in your year?
Yeah, I think I agree that 50-50.
Okay, so it's equal actually.
Yeah. I forgot that my interesting thing in 2024 is trying this program.
Oh!
And when Kak Iqbal and Kak Lia.
And that can becomes your achievement in this year too,
Yeah.
because of not all the student can be participate in this program, right?
That's right.
Okay. How about Winas? What is about your year? Is it also 50-50 or you feel like I think it's more happiness in my year
Or still
than
flat?
more sadness in my year?
or still flat only?
I think it's 50-50.
Oh, 50-50.
Yes.
Okay. So it's an equal.
Equal.
Oh yeah. In the question list, it's gonna be asking about how your 2024 start. How about Valia? What is your 2024 start? Is it start with full of hope, full of happiness, or already started with this sadness?
I'm full of dizzy head because of every start or every January I have to starting about the financial management in Radio Pesona FM. So I felt every single year in the January I felt like that's the crucial moment and that's the most exhausted than another month. And I always starting new years with new confusing, new dizzy problem and anything.
Yeah. We start a new year with a different kind of start. Like some of us starting with meet with new family.
Yeah.
Maybe we already doing something great in the past year, and then we just continue it in another year. But for some of us, starting a new year, it's not an easy thing to do.
Yeah, for example, we starting the New Year's without salary.
That's the hardest one. Actually.
Yeah. Okay, how about you guys? How was you starting your 2024?
In the beginning of 2024, actually I was getting holiday from my college.
Okay.
So I feel that holiday the beginning of year with joyful. I feel full of rest.
Okay.
After the many tasks, many things that I got from my college, and that time is time for rest.
Okay, that's good for Z, and maybe in the in the new of years you can starting by new things too.
Yeah,
so it can be
maybe.
more exciting. How about Venus?
In my 2024 started, it was full of happiness.
Full of happiness.
Yes,
Because?
because I play with my best friend.
Because you still senior high school student, so you don't have any or so much work. Homework. I mean,
No,
No?
because I am gap year.
Oh, because of your gap year.
Yes.
Oh, so you feel that in the beginning of 2024 is the relaxed time that you ever have
Yes.
before. Okay. Okay, maybe you can relate with Iqbal because Iqbal gap year too.
I also doing a gap year. I do a year gap. So in a year, I did everything that I want to do when I cannot doing it when I was in the high school. So it's pretty relaxing. It's pretty
Yeah.
good times, but the most good thing is nobody would try to press me to do anything. Like they never forced me to start a college immediately, or they never forced me to looking for a job immediately. They trust me to do whatever that I want. So it's been a good time when I do a gap year. Yeah, it's been a great thing.
Okay, so you have one friends that has similar experience with you. After this program, maybe you can, what is it like, asking so much question. Maybe you wanna hear about Iqbal story or experience. So you can through the what is it, university life with a calm or relaxing. What is it, relaxing life maybe?
Oh, I think not yet.
Mungkin habis ini kamu tuh bisa belajar tanya-tanya ke Iqbal gimana sih caranya jadi mahasiswa yang hidupnya tenang tentram walaupun kita udah
Wah, nggak ada mahasiswa hidup tenang.
Kali aja ya kan. Kali aja ada tips and triknya itu Bang. Kan kamu sebagai salah satu contoh nyata yang
saya bukan contoh nyata yang tenang dan tentram ya.
Tapi contoh nyata yang sudah melewati masa mahasiswa itu gitu loh.
Tapi ya balik lagi, the responsibility is still there. Even though like people around you trusting you so much, they not really force you to immediately go to college or never force you to immediately looking for a job. But the responsibility is there. So you need to stay focused and stay calm on yourself and understand that what is actually that you really want to. If you really want to go to college, even though you're doing a gap year, that you need to remember that at some point, someday you need to looking for a college. Ya, jadi kayak walaupun nggak ada yang maksa, tapi ya tanggung jawabnya masih harus dipikirin juga. Kalau misalnya di satu titik harus nyari kerja, kalau nggak ya nyari perguruan tinggi gitu.
Oke, benar banget. Dan Pesona Inspira, karena kita udah ngobrol-ngobrol spill sedikit ya tentang topik hari ini. Kalau Pesona Inspira mau gabung, ayo gabung aja. Kalau mau gabungnya ngobrolin hal lain juga nggak apa-apa. Yang penting Pesona Inspira berani dulu untuk ngobrol-ngobrol sama kita. Silakan bisa telepon di 0823 2383 9996 dan kita akan kembali lagi setelah lagu dan komersial berikut ini.
I can speak. To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak.
Yes, I Can Speak coming back, and of course we're still talking about stories of the year, campus and life, and the unique, interesting things that happened to us. And of course, suddenly I remember that there was a miracle time to me. But it's not only miracle things that makes me happy, but also makes me feel sad because of guys, that I have not a child yet, and I have pregnancy without any program or fertility program. I do pregnancy by miracle, and after 2 or 3 days I knew that I'm pregnant. My pregnancy was lost, and I feels like I'm very happy because I'm still fertility, but also I'm very sad because of I cannot save my pregnancy. That's the miracle things that happened to me in 2024, because before 2024 I did some in vitro fertility. It's like a fertility program to get a baby, and I was not succeed. And after 2024 I felt that I have doing some fertility program too if I want to get some child or baby, but yeah, suddenly I get pregnancy, but I cannot really save it, and I just lose it in 2 or 3 days. Yeah, this is sad, but you can smile because I have through it, and I'm fine right now. And maybe you have any miracle things or the things that you never predicted happen in this year before, and it already happened, and you can through it. What is it?
I was interesting of move to next semester when I was in first semester, and I will move to a second semester, but I didn't feel it. I didn't feel that vibes because I was getting sick.
Okay.
And that make me should go back to my hometown. So I didn't feel the new semester vibes.
Okay.
And before that, I was saying to my friend that I want to go back home early than in the beginning of Ramadan. And for that, I got sick. In fact I go back home early, but with bad condition.
Okay.
And I was really, I was regret for what I was saying, but I got also happy because I can stay home more longer than my friend.
Okay.
And then, but
May I know you're sick? Is that what is it, like a serious illness?
I got smallpox.
Smallpox.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
we call it
Okay,
cacari.
yeah. That's really feels
and
like
my first.
yeah. I think smallpox is make us feel really bored because we have to only stay in our room.
Yeah.
And nobody wants to close to
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, actually, in my boarding house, my friend like want to save me, want to taking care of me, but I feel I didn't feel comfort, and they are also busy. I should take care of myself, and then I feel like I should go back home.
Okay.
Because here everyone is busy, and in my home I can feel they are my parents. And in fact, fun fact, when I just arrived in my house, I feel like more fresh.
Okay.
I feel like, although my smallpox is still much, but I feel more comfortable, maybe because that in my own house, and I
Okay.
go and I feel more safe because I have my parents to take care of me.
Okay, so what is it? Even there was your friends that wants to stay with you, but you feels like guilty if your friends get what is it, like you contagion your
Yeah.
smallpox to her, so you feels like there is a responsibility that I have to responsible, and you feels that staying at home is very relaxing for you. It can release all the responsibility. You can close to all person in your home, right?
Yeah, sometimes my friend said, it's never mine. I will taking of you. But when my friend want to touch me, I feel, don't touch me, please. Later this just will go to you.
Okay. How about you, Enas? Do you have any experience that you think that is a miracle for you and it never happened predict by yourself, but you can through it?
I think so far is nothing miracle happened to me.
Okay. How about Iqbal?
Like I have told you before, like I separate with my special person back then in 2023, and after that, lucky me, like someone I don't know, approached me in some weird way, and then somehow we make some conversation, and now he's become my friends, and I tell him all of my story and all of the things. So I think that can be count as a miracle, because when we lose someone special, like maybe the universe will replace it with someone differently, but even though in a different relationship, but although it can feel the emptiness inside of you, like I feel
This I know different relationship. So do you have any?
yeah, I lost my
different
girlfriend
relation-
last year. Now,
Oh my
now
God.
I got a best friend. Should I tell you this?
You have to
I
bold.
tried.
You have to embracing your
I
situation.
try to make it not too obvious, but why you ask it?
Ya soalnya menarik aja ya. Kok beda situasinya, padahal udah happy banget ketemuan gitu.
Yeah, I lost my girlfriend last year, but thanks God, I got a best friend this year. Should I make this kind of?
Yeah, okay. Back to your story, and then you feel like that is the miracle things that
Yeah,
happened
it's a
to
miracle.
you.
Even though it replaces it on a different relationship, but it can feel the emptiness. Yeah.
Okay. Somalia still wants to love.
Yeah, should I explain you?
Yeah, because you have so many story. What is it? So many unique stories, so many fun story about your love line.
No,
So I was like curious.
this year there's no love story.
Okay, that's not a love story. Okay,
Yeah.
maybe you have an equation for Venus and Z that what is it? It's related with 2024.
Yeah, what is the things that you're not achieved yet in 2024 that you expected happen this year? Maybe in 2023 you're wondering, I'm gonna go doing this, I'm gonna achieve this, maybe I'm gonna experience these things in 2024, but apparently you're not doing it yet in 2024.
I don't know. I think I
Well,
didn't.
Like you never put a goal or something in
Yeah.
2024.
Or maybe you need some times to thinking again, to remind your mind.
Maybe when I in the last of 2023, my lecturer had got like give us some tasks that what will we do in the next year, but I forgot it.
Okay.
I do that task. I answer that task, but I forgot what did I say. But one thing that I remember in 2023, I ever thought about I will create some stories, maybe my own stories, like short stories.
Mhm.
But I haven't do that yet
Okay.
because my business.
Okay, and then
And then, yeah, I still hope, but I have new plan for the stories. Like, I ever got some text from my lecturer about make a drama, but with what is that?
what
like
is it?
ebook.
Okay, ebook.
Yeah, I have experiences about that, and I feel like I want to my own ebook and that story, because when my lecturer give us the text, it was group text,
Mhm.
and I want to make my own ebook by myself. That
Okay.
I hope I can do that.
Okay, so in this year you expected that you have one ebook at least,
Yeah.
but you cannot really have one.
Yeah,
Maybe in the next year you can make some ebooks.
yeah. I hope in the next holiday I can fill my holiday with the creation.
Okay, if you have ebooks in the next year, maybe you can teach me how to making ebook, so I can be your followers.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. Like I love reading lately.
Yeah, because ebook is what is it like kekinian update style.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have to know how to making it because it's important to be our what is it like a magazine, but also we not needed to print it. What is it?
Yeah.
We don't need to print it. I mean, and of course, when we have ebook, if it's like we have some legacy to
Yeah,
the future generation, right? Okay, how about Wenas?
I don't know, but in the next year, I really, really want to. And then this is my hopes. I want to save my money so pretty well. Just this curse.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I think I need to do the same thing because this year I put too much effort about making money, but I think when I look it back, I also spend it too well.
Yeah.
I think like when you got some salary and maybe got money from your job, sometimes I think that I deserve some self-reward and something like that. But when the time is passing by, actually I don't really need that kind of self-reward.
Yeah.
Maybe I need a new definition of self-reward. Self-reward don't have to be an expensive things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes just small things can also be small rewards, but I need to change it next year. Yeah.
So your income is equal with your expenditure, right?
Not really to make it equal, but to make it worth it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, as long as this years.
yeah, this year is still ya masih aman lah. Still safe for this year. But maybe for the next year, I need kayaknya butuh lebih bijak lagi. I need more wise
Yeah,
way to spend my money because I do realize that I have something in my closet and something in my room that I'm not using it for a long time and I bought it in the name of self-reward. Now I kind of regret it when I bought it. Like,
Yeah.
ya karena self-reward beli ini ada satu barang yang harganya agak lumayan and then I do realize that I never using it. Like why I bought it for my self-reward when I'm not even using it. That's why I think I need a new definition of self-reward next year. Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes self-reward for some people like we got money and we spend it.
Ya.
Yeah,
Kadang self reward kan belum tentu berbentuk barang. Kadang
Yeah.
boleh aja kayak misalnya diganti kayak makan di tempat yang belum pernah atau pergi ke tempat yang belum pernah. It can be also like that. But sometimes we always define self reward as something expensive, like
Yeah.
some stuff, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. So about the things that you expect that will happen in this year but not really happen in this year, Iqbal.
That.
What is it?
Wow, we're gonna
Maybe
talk about.
I'm go first.
Oh yeah,
maybe.
you can go
Okay.
first.
I can go first. I'm expecting that my husband can graduate from his bachelor degree.
A bachelor degree.
I mean, it's like this year is too longer time for my husband to graduation, but finally he cannot graduate at all. Bahkan dia masih terus mengabaikan kuliah online-nya. Jadi ya that's why the reason why the wife is always being a windy person to his husband because of there are so much expecting with our husband, right? And then the second I expecting that this year I can buy a house, one house, but
Okay.
finally I cannot buy a house. And I wish maybe next year I can buy a house and then my
Amin.
husband can graduate as soon as possible, so I don't feel like guilty because of what is like some months some months later maybe I will graduate. Amin inshallah.
Amin.
From our
Amin.
for my magister degree. Yeah, that's my expectation and that's my hope too in this year and next year. And your hope in next year, maybe you only you only think that you wanna to be the wise person
I
than before.
want my happiness not depending on the people.
How about how about the
Nice.
material that you wanna expecting that you have to receive in
I
the
don't
next
know.
year?
I'm not that kind of material person, if I can be honest.
Maybe some some target in your life, like you have to have new house or new handphone or new anything.
I never put that kind of deadline in my life because let's say like I want to buy a new handphone in 2025. If that's
Okay.
not achieved, I'm gonna think if my life is failed, something like that. In my
Okay,
opinion.
okay.
So I'm not gonna put deadline on relationship, on
Okay.
materialistic things, or even on the things that actually it's not gonna long last forever.
Okay.
Okay.
But actually, when we're talking about a house, it's not materialistic, but this is like daily needs. What is it like kebutuhan wajib?
Okay.
Yeah. For me, it's like a kebutuhan wajib for every single. Wife and husband, and of course, when we have our house, it's the main important thing. Then we have a new handphone for me.
Yeah. Back then, we have a different perspective because you see it, you're as a housewife and
Yeah,
something,
yeah.
and you
Yeah.
already have a husband and something like that. You need a personal space for both of you.
Yeah.
But back then, me, I'm still with my own. I don't really need that kind of personal space. I just need to afford something that I really needed.
Someday I feel that you are very lucky kids because you are the one and only kids that your parents has. So you don't have any your parents is only focusing on one kids.
Yeah, but the burden only on me. The burden only on me. There's no one that I can count on.
But sometimes you don't have any responsible to give your money to your to your sister, your brother, or your
I need to give
nephew.
money to my parents then.
Yeah. Only your parents. Only your parents.
If your parents need money, they're gonna asking for you, for your sister, for maybe your brother, your sister.
yeah.
But if my parents need money, they're only count on me. That is the good things about have a sibling.
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Sometimes it can be happen, right? Like Iqbal said, but sometimes when we are already mature, our
Yeah.
parents want when they want or they need money, they actually already know where is or which one the kids that can give
Yeah.
the money.
The point of view is your parent have an option. My parent don't have it. My
No,
parents don't have it.
aku belum selesai cerita Iqbal. Jadi ada beberapa orang tua yang sesuai dengan ceritanya Iqbal.
Yeah.
Tapi ada juga beberapa orang tua yang tahu nih kalau aku butuh uang tuh ke anak yang mana. gitu
Yeah,
kan.
your parent already know
Kalau-
it, right?
Iya, kalau aku butuh ini ke anak yang mana. Jadi artinya sebetulnya sama aja. Mau anaknya banyak, mau anaknya enggak. Kalau dia udah punya orientasi, oh kalau butuh uang berarti ke anak yang ini doang, kayak
Betul.
gitu.
Tapi orientasi orang tua juga sama. Semua orang tua akan mencintai anaknya
Iya,
sepenuh hati.
betul sekali. That's, I mean, it's talking about the responsibility. It's not talking about the burden ya.
You're
Tadi
making
jadi salah
this way.
paham ya.
You're making this way.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
making this way.
I
Like
mean,
I said before,
yeah.
like we sit on a different perspective. You
Yeah.
see me because you never experienced it as
Yeah,
I am.
yeah.
I see you because I never experienced it. Who have a sibling and something like that.
Of course, yeah. And of course, be mature has so much. What is it? To be adults or teenager, we have our different responsibility. right?
Yeah. Back then, again, like we see 2025 will be full of hope, will be full of happiness. That's all that we want for 2025. Maybe all of our goal will be achieved that year, or maybe we're gonna geser it ya di tahun 2026 kan biasanya gitu. Kalau harapan tidak terjadi di tahun ini, geser lagi ke tahun depan. Kalau tahun depan belum terjadi,
Tahun
geser
depan
lagi ke
lagi.
tahun depannya lagi gitu.
Okay. And maybe do you have any? What is it like? 2024, it can be our achievement year because of in the next year I have prediction I can doing A B C D or I can get some blah 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 blah. Do you have any perspective like that maybe? Because of maybe we can predict it like today I get some blah 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 and maybe next year I can get blah 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 blah.
I don't think about that. I don't predict anything because I don't want type that just do what happened today without think about what will happen in the next. Just what happened today, I do it, and then and next day or next year or next time, what will I go? What will I do? I never think about it.
Maybe because of you have already loving photography and you
Yeah.
was joining in some organization in your campus. Maybe you have any like a prediction? Oh, because of I joined with, for example, Nawasena. So in next year there will be event that Nawasena. Like penyelenggara sebagai penyelenggara. Berarti aku bakal sibuk nih di bulan ini kayak gitu.
Yeah, I feel maybe because this month, my senior will the missioner.
Okay.
So my classmate will be the senior of my junior.
Next
Then,
year
yeah.
is
next year is
you are in the what semester? 7 or 6? 4 semester.
yeah fourth semester.
But it's not your last semester, right? You still
No.
has some time to breathing and you don't need to arrange your scriptsy first.
No, I mean like in my organization, I will be the senior from
Okay.
my junior. So maybe I will be the
Example.
head of the division, maybe, and that,
Okay.
and that will make me more busy. Will make me busier, but I plan some creative creations for my my creative creation for my new vibes of my division, like photography or videography, and I got more knowledge about design from my head division, and I hope I can I can improve my skill of that.
Okay, because of next year is what is it? You are to be senior in your organization, so
Yeah.
you feels that or you predict that you will be more busy than before because of you are the senior in the organization and you
Yeah.
have to lead the the junior to
Yeah.
what is it like manage the organization, right?
Yeah, and I have to manage more our account.
Okay, and because of you already predict that you will be busy person, so you need to manage your healthy too.
Yeah,
Your healthy is the first thing.
yeah, it's really challenging.
Okay, how about Wenas? Maybe you have any prediction about next year in your life?
For now, I haven't thinking about my prediction for the next year.
Okay, you just like let it go person. Yeah, you just
Yeah.
never what is it having a plan or just doing some things only by the situation. Yeah. And how about boyfriend? Maybe you wanna get some boyfriend next year.
It could be happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
How about friends? Okay, I don't want to talking about boyfriend, but friends. In the first semester, maybe your friends is not much as than next year, right? Maybe
Right.
you have an only what is it? Maybe you have some plan to making some friendship with senior or another faculty friends.
Maybe I'm gonna thinking about that later.
Okay, so it can be tips for you, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe you can asking me or Iqbal about 2024 or 2025. So this what is it? This conversation it can be we are not only become a questioner but also answering. Okay.
I'm gonna call you later, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, for Persona Inspira who want to join with us, don't forget you can send us maybe a short message or even call us in our WhatsApp line. So don't forget to join on our next segment. There's gonna be Learn with Persona and also Listeners Time. So don't go anywhere. Keep stay tuned on 92.1 FM. Persona Radio, your best information station.
Hello, Persona Inspira. I can speak is back still with me, Z, with my friend Manas, Kak Lia dan Kak Iqbal.
Yeah, that's right. So, and I Can Speak program, and we already talking about what is it, campus and life, the unique and interesting things. And now we wanna move in the second segment that is Learn with Persona. So for Persona Inspira who wants to adding your vocabulary, you have to listen us up to the end of this program because we wanna share about 10 vocabulary, new vocabulary. So buat Persona Inspira yang mau gabung juga nanti setelah segmen Learn with Persona, Persona Inspira bisa bergabung di segmen Listener Time. Kalau gitu langsung aja kita masuk dulu ke segmen berikutnya Learn with Persona.
What's your new vocab today? Kosakata baru apa hari ini? Let's enriching our vocab. Perkaya kosakata baru hari ini bersama Learn with Persona.
I can speak.
Oke, Persona Inspira seperti biasa ya, biar nggak cuma kita berlatih bahasa Inggris lewat speaking, tapi juga ada hal yang dicatat, jadi bisa diingat-ingat sama Persona Inspira dan bisa dicoba dipraktekkan di rumah masing-masing. Jadi di sini di ruang siar sudah disiapkan 10 kosakata yang akan dibagikan ke Persona Inspira semuanya. Mungkin Zi bisa memulai di 5 kosakata awal, habis itu nanti lanjut ke Wenas.
Yeah, we have approach.
Approach, spellingnya?
APPROACH.
Oke, mungkin bisa
Nah,
spelling pakai bahasa Indonesia
Ya,
juga.
artinya bisa mendekati, bisa juga menjelang.
Oke, spellingnya mungkin bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia juga Z. A P P
Ya, APPROACH.
R A CH. Oke, ini untuk mensiasati atau menjembatani pesona Inspira yang belum tahu spelling di alfabet dalam bahasa Inggris ya.
Ya.
Jadi kita juga men-spellingnya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke, tadi di vocab pertama ada approach yang artinya mendekati atau menjelang gitu. Selanjutnya,
Kemudian ada unpleasant.
unpleasant. Oke.
The spelling is UNPLEASANT.
Oke.
Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya ya kita bisa spellnya kayak UNPLEASANT.
Iya, unpleasan gitu ya. Unpleasan tapi belakangnya dikasih T gitu.
Iya, betul.
Artinya apa nih?
Artinya tidak menyenangkan.
Tidak menyenangkan, unpleasant. Oke, next apalagi?
Kemudian ada carry out. Itu ada spellingnya is CARRY space OUT.
Oke.
Dalam bahasa Indonesianya ada CARRY di space kemudian OUT.
Jadi bingung kalau spelling bahasa Indonesia ya. Oke, jadi kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia misalkan pesona Inspira mau nyatet ya, pokoknya tulisannya itu cherry out tapi
Ya,
cari
cari
out,
out.
sorry,
Tapi
cari
cari,
out.
tapi
Tapi
pakai Y.
i-nya pakai Y,
Ya.
nggak pakai i gitu ya. Cari i-nya pakai y. Terus artinya tadi?
Bisa melaksanakan juga bisa menjalani.
Oke, next apalagi?
Kemudian ada hectic. The spelling is HECTYC. Atau kalau kita baca dalam bahasa Indonesia itu
Teach. Teach pakai C gitu
Pakai
ya.
C, ya.
Artinya
sangat sibuk.
sangat sibuk. Oke, next apalagi?
Kemudian ada exhausting. The spelling is EXHAUSTYNG.
Ya, bahasa Indonesianya
Kalau
nih kalau
dalam bahasa
disebutnya gimana nih
Indonesia-
hurufnya? Exhausting.
Ya, exhausting.
Exhausting kayak biasa pesona Inspira tapi X-nya itu pakai X ya, huruf X
huruf
bukan
X.
pakai KS gitu ya.
Ya, betul.
Oke. Next, Wenas mungkin bisa berbagi kosakata baru juga.
The next is experience.
Experience. Oke, spellingnya.
EXPERIENCE.
Oke, kalau bahasa Indonesianya tuh experience
C.
gitu ya.
Iya.
Experience tapi X-nya kembali pakai huruf X
X,
ya.
iya.
Oke, artinya.
Artinya yaitu pengalaman.
Oke.
Pengalaman.
Yeah.
Next.
And the next is memorable.
Oke.
The spelling is MEMORABLE. Bahasa Indonesianya itu memorable. MEMORABLE. Yang artinya itu terkenang atau berkesan.
Oke.
And the next is vacation. The spelling is VACATION. Kalau Indonesianya itu vacation, yang artinya liburan.
Oke.
And next, plan. The spell is PLAN. Atau bahasa Indonesianya adalah plan, PLAN, yang artinya rencana atau bisa tumbuhan.
Oke.
And
Terus.
the last is habits. HABITS. Atau Indonesianya HABITS, yang artinya kebiasaan-kebiasaan.
Oke. Kalau Iqbal ada yang mau tambahin nggak, Bal?
I'm gonna adding one word. It's gonna be upcoming.
Upcoming. Oke.
Upcoming. It stands for mendatang.
Iya, oke. Kalau Valia mau nambahin satu kosakata dengan kata miracle, because I have said miracle before. Miracle tulisannya MERACLE. I and artinya keajaiban ya. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira yang mau ngomong keajaiban bisa menggunakan kata miracle. Dan kalau ngobrolin soal tahun depan atau yang akan datang bisa pakai upcoming gitu. Oke, ini berikutnya kan kita akan ke listener time ya.
Betul.
Jadi Pesona Inspira yang mau menelpon silakan yuk bergabung di 082323839996. Kita langsung aja masuk ke listener time.
Pesona Inspira, saatnya Pesona Inspira bergabung di 082323839996.
Is listener time. Listener time. Ya, oke, listener time. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira yang mau gabung silahkan aja. Tapi sambil nunggu kita mungkin kasih dulu yuk beberapa statement closing atau closing statement Iqbal terkait topik hari ini nih. Mungkin mulai dari Iqbal dulu, Bal.
Okay, so for the next year and maybe the previous year, but don't forget that you're also experience it present year. I know you're planning something on the future and you regretted something on the previous year, but make sure you're doing your best in the present year. Gitu deh dari aku.
Okay, for Valia, maybe this year is not the what is it like your achievement year, but you have to thanks God because you can through this year and you have to maintain your energy to what is it to facing the new years. Okay, how about Z?
For me, what you cannot do in this year, you can do it in the next year. But if you can do that thing in this year, just do it now because the more we delay the time, the harder we get things done.
Wow, it sounds like quote. Quote of the day. Okay, how about Venus?
For me, please be happy for the next year. Just stop.
Be happy for the next year
Yeah.
and of course every day.
Of course.
Oke, karena hari ini belum ada Pesona Inspira yang bergabung nggak Iqbal ya? Oke, kalau gitu langsung aja yuk hari ini kayaknya I Can Speak-nya cukup hari ini sampai di sini. Jadi untuk Pesona Inspira yang mau gabung-gabung lagi, mau mungkin nanya-nanya seputar vocab bahasa Inggris bisa gabung lagi nanti di Senin depan di jam dan waktu yang sama ya Bal ya.
Yes, thank you so much for all Persona Inspira who already listened to us for maybe for the previous 2 hours, and don't forget to always listen I Can Speak every Monday at 12:15
15
until 2 p.m.
Yeah, and of course I want to say thank you for Wenas and of course Z that already coming here and broadcasting with us, and hope you can has so much experience with our broadcasting. And finally, I'm Valia.
I'm Iqbal Santosa.
I'm Z.
And I'm very nice.
Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.